Yeah. Have you cleared any other preliminary exam for IBPS and other things?
Sir, in 2021, I have cleared SBI clerk pre-exam, but unfortunately can't make it to the
Final.
final list.
Oh, how many marks you missed it?
Sir, it was about 10 marks.
Oh, Baba, that's very huge mark.
Yes.
Because people miss it by 0.25 marks and all that. And 10 marks is a very huge difference. So afterwards, did you write exams or not?
Yes, sir. I gave many other exams also, but I have cleared only Karnataka Bank.
Achha, good, very good. Can you please tell me about yourselves? Are you comfortable in English? At least towards introduction and first few questions. Thereafter, if
Yes.
they talk in Hindi, you can also get into Hindi.
Okay, okay. So is there any chance that the interview might go in Hindi? Because my interview is in Delhi.
Oh, acha, Delhi. Oh,
Yes.
acha, nowadays they are going to bifurcate and do it differently. हो सकता है, they will permit you to talk in Hindi. पता नहीं है वो पूरा हिंदी में पूछेगा ना क्या. जैसे आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं उस समय पर आंसर करने के समय पे कभी आप कुछ इंग्लिश यूज इंग्लिश हिंदी वर्ड and if they are happy they will continue with further Hindi words, then you can make it interesting for you. अच्छा जी, बट पहले आप इंट्रोडक्शन अंग्रेजी में दे दीजिए.
Sir, hello sir.
Hello.
My name is Pradeep Saini. I belong to Alwar, Rajasthan, and I have done Bachelor of Commerce from Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, University of Delhi. And I have completed my schooling from my hometown itself. And I topped in my class 12 board examinations. Apart from this, I have done an internship in comparative analysis of mutual fund from Bajaj Capital. And if I talk about my work experience, I worked as a sales executive in policybazar.com. There my job profile was basically to deal with customers and provide them best health insurance policy according to their need. And I take pride to share that during my tenure, I have always overachieved my targets. And I have been also awarded with Best Employee of the Month award. And other than this, I love to interact with new people. And I also do swimming. I have played under 17 and under 19 at district level competitions. And currently I'm preparing for banking examinations. And if I got a chance to work in Karnataka Bank, I'll definitely use my skills to grow with banks. So this is all about me. And in case if you want to know more, I'm glad to answer. Thank you so much, sir.
Good, very good. You made it really very well. Your introduction was good. I think you are comfortable in talking in English also.
Yes, sir. My medium was English. Yes, but sometime when talking to seniors, I might get might get fumbled. I'm familiar with this because I have seen many of your videos, about 30 to 40 videos. So for me, it's just like I'm watching YouTube video and nothing like that.
Very good. Excellent. Now, for you, a lot of questions will come about which year did you complete your degree?
Sir, in 2018.
How long did you serve in internship?
Sir, 6 months.
How long did you serve in mutual fund?
Sir, I have done internship in
that was internship in mutual fund was for 6 months. Which mutual fund did you undertake that?
Sir, in that I have comparative analysis of all the mutual funds, like for equity, for debt, for hybrid fund.
Under which banner did you did it, or which institute did you do it?
Bajaj Capital.
ऐसा बोलना है. Good, good. Bajaj Capital. Fine.
Yes.
Then you said you were working in policybazar.com.
Yes, sir.
Which branch or which office?
Sir, in Gurgaon, in health insurance sector.
Very good. What was the nature of work you had to do?
Sir, I have to deal with customers who have visited our site, and we need to pitch them health insurance policy and tell them how important it is to take a health insurance policy and convert them and sell them the best health insurance policy according to their needs.
Mhm. Mm. Oh, then I think you would have been working for some other insurance company. Now, what was that insurance company?
Sir, I was working in policybazar.com. It is a web aggregator company where I used to sell health insurance policy of all the companies like
Oh,
Star Health, Religare. So I have idea of all the companies, Universal Sompo. So uh, I have almost sold every company a health insurance policy.
really? Acha.
Yes, sir.
Uh, among these companies' insurance policies, which one do you think is more beneficial for, say, a person of 40 years age and working, so with a family of 2 or 3 people?
Okay. Sir, first, I'll say all health insurance policy are have some basic features that they provide the health insurance cover. But at the age of 40, sir, first we need to take consideration that if a person is having some disease or not, and then we will give him accordingly. Let's suppose if a person have some disease like diabetes and hypertension, then we will not suggest him to go with Max Life Insurance or Apollo because there are more chances of getting policy rejected. So we will tell them to go with Religare because in now it has been renamed as care policy. So in that there are more chances that a person will get a policy, plus his prior disease will also get covered in the policy after 2 years.
1 minute, 1 minute. Here, one person has stated that she wants to get guidance for promotion in Federal Bank. 1 minute, I'm sending her a message. Mm, mm, yeah. Yeah. 27th, 10:30 p.m. Yeah, now, yeah, you are a successful person in Policy Bazaar. You were there for 1 year?
Yes, sir. About 1 year, 10 months.
About 1 year or 10 months. Then why did you leave that? Was it salary was low or what was the reason?
No, sir. To be very honest, I was enjoying my work. I was very satisfied, but uh, I want to go with banking. I was also preparing for banking exam, so I was not getting sufficient time to prepare for.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
so that's why, although it was a hard call for me to leave that organization, but sometime in life we have to make tough decision for betterment of our life. So I took it, and I just I just take a calculated risk. I just take care of all the factors and then made the decision of leaving the organization.
Acha, now you left when? 2021.
19.
19. Oh Baba.
Yes.
तब से क्या करते हैं?
Sir, after that, I started preparing for banking exams, but in 2020, I haven't cleared any exams. But in 2021, I cleared SPI, Junior Associate, and I missed some other prelims exam by just few marks.
Few marks you missed, Acha. Can you tell me what do you understand as banking?
Sir, banking means accepting deposits from the customers and giving the advances to the people who are in need of the money. And bank made the profit from the the bank profits are net interest margin.
Mhm. Mm, yeah, what is net interest margin?
Sir, let's suppose if bank take a deposit from a customer and give them a interest rate at 4% and
Mm,
give loan to the people and take a interest from them at 9%. So the basically the difference is net profit margin. And to have a good profitable bank, the bank should have a 3% of that margin.
mhm. Yeah. Now, can you tell me what are the sources of income for the banks?
Sir, there are various sources of income for the bank. The primary source of income for bank is to lending by lending loans or giving loans to the different peoples. Other than this, bank also charges uh, by giving checkbooks and by giving SMS alert subscription and by making DD and by giving local services and all other uh, services.
Then another point is regarding from investment in government securities also banks will get income. They will get income from the shares they have invested. From there also they will get dividends. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one minute. Now, you are a good person. You have been canvassing a lot and all. Acha, can you tell me how will you go about canvassing, say, new savings bank accounts? What is the strategy you will adopt?
Uh, Sir, first, I'll tell the customer the benefit of having a saving account in a bank
Mm,
because there are various schemes nowadays uh, are
mm,
released by the government, and for that, one need to have a saving bank account for direct benefit transfer. And
mm,
other than this, uh, if I want to give them, if I want to suggest them about Karnataka Bank saving account, then I'll tell them we also open account digitally. So without taking much time, we can uh, digitally open your account. Plus, we have some additional benefit
mm.
like we will give you insurance coverage if you open a privileged uh, saving account in Karnataka Bank. We will give you 10 lakh rupees of accidental coverage without taking any extra premium from you.
Mhm.
But
Good.
you need to
Right.
maintain some.
Now I think you are able to canvas very well. You are able to tell nicely. Can you tell me the difficult party from whom you made him take health policy? Can you remember about somebody who was not accepted in first or second, but took more attempts? Or do you remember any such incident?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in all my cases, none of the customers took the policy in first or second attempt. I
Oh,
although just follow them, take lead, follow them on regular basis. Even I have followed customer for two months even.
oh.
Yes, and the customers who were just came with no interest, and finally I made them selling health insurance policy, not only for them but also for their family and take them leads for another customer also.
Mhm.
Yeah, and
Mm,
I have taken a premium of about 1 lakh rupee from a customer who was from Bangalore.
mhm.
Yeah.
Mm, 1 minute. 2 hours. You travel that much distance and then. Acha, majority of the assignments, were you able to fix up with one visit only, or you had to make more visits? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, yeah.
One
Sir,
visit only or more visits, and was it that you were pursuing over phone also many times like that? What is the strategy adopted by you? Did you use some social websites for canvassing?
no, sir. Sir, basically, we have our system. In the system, we get to know the customers who are visiting the site of policybajaj.com. Then we will just call them and just follow them on mobile only by
Super.
calling them.
Acha, yeah, how can you know that people have visited? I have also visited many times policybazar.com, but from where will you get particulars?
Sir, when you visit a particular site, your data gets to the organization and then they provide these leads accordingly to their employees.
Acha, acha.
Let's suppose you are an international customer, so they will not give your lead to any fresher. They will give your lead to an experienced person so that he can explain you in very detail and in a very efficient manner.
Oh, no. Supposing I visit Policy Bazaar now, imagine before your eyes, I am just going to visit policybazar.com. I'm just visiting this website, policybazar.com. Why it is not coming?
Sir, once you enter your
No. Policy Bazaar. Is this the site you are referring to? Just a minute. You can also see that. Is this what you are telling? Policy Bazaar. Are you seeing now on your screen?
Yes, sir. Policybazar.com.
Same thing, na?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इधर में हम खाली जाके देख रहे हैं, स्टडी कर रहे हैं, बाहर चला जाते हैं, तब तो आपको मेरा डिटेल्स नहीं आएगा ना?
नहीं सर, no.
नहीं आएगा. When will you get information?
Once you put your email or you put your mobile number.
अच्छा. Only when we give our mobile number, then you will come to know of it. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Absolutely right.
Just a minute. Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between fixed deposit and say recurring deposit?
Sir, in fixed deposit, customer put a lump sum amount in bank and enjoy the interest. And in recurring deposit, the customer deposits the amount in his account over a period of time. Let's suppose for monthly or quarterly basis. In fixed deposit, a customer can have a tenure of minimum 9 days to 10 years. And in recurring deposit,
no. Now what did you say? 9 days? No. You are telling some. What is the minimum period? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's 9 days to
7
10
days.
years.
7 days.
Okay. 7 days to 10 years.
Yeah. But there can be some instances when it is more than 10 years also. You know what are those instances?
Sir, I don't have any idea about it, but I'll surely read about it.
Where the deposit is in the name of minor, it can be done till the minor attaining majority.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Now, can you please tell me some points about NPCI? What is NPCI? उसका बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir, NPCI is National Payment Corporation of India.
Mm.
It is an umbrella entity for all the transactions like UPI and all the digital transaction.
Mm.
The main function of NPCI is to regulate UPI and online transfer money like IMPS, UPI, and all this. It was formed by RBI.
So what are the various platforms introduced by them?
So they have introduced UPI, Unified Payment Interface, then Bharat Bill Payment, then IMPS, Immediate Payment uh, System.
Mm.
So they have all.
Good. So can you tell me, there is a proposal for charging UPI transactions. What is
Yes,
your
sir.
view? What is your view on that?
Sir, basically in a report, RBI said that for transferring every 800 rupees, they cost around 20 rupees.
Ayyo.
Uh,
Oh.
yeah, so it's their expenditure. So it is costing them around 1200 crore rupees in a month, because the UPI transaction are done in a lakh crore rupees. So basically, they are aiming to recover the cost of their platform. My opinion is that right now, uh, India, uh, India is not in a position where we can put UPI as chargeable, because now we need some time. India is heading towards a financial inclusivity. So this is why.
Good. So now we need not charge, you are telling. I understand.
Yes.
What do you know about
Because the
Russia-Ukraine war?
okay, sir. Sir, basically, Ukraine was Ukraine is a country with neighboring or in east with Russia and on the west with European countries, and he was becoming the member. He wants to become a member of NATO, a North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So therefore, Russia did not did not want Ukraine to have a partnership with NATO, and that's why the war happened. And it and due to this war, there are so many impact on worldwide, like rise in crude oil prices and and sir, and LPG shortage in European countries, as well as other countries which are dependent on Russia. So it's having impact on world economy. Even in Sri Lanka crisis also, there was some uh, part involved of this war.
Because of
So
this war. Yeah.
yeah,
I understand. I understand what you say. Good. You seem to be thorough with what is going on. Can you tell me something about China-Taiwan crisis?
sir, China-Taiwan crisis is, sir, Taiwan reclaimed itself as an independent country, where the China says that the Taiwan is a part of China, and recently American administrator visit Taiwan. So due to this, they become no,
Mm.
am I
Hello?
audible?
No, yeah,
Yes.
audible.
Yeah. So due to this, uh, they were very aggressive, and they said that if if US will visit Taiwan, then Taiwan will have its uh, consideration on future.
Problems. That this problem arose because of that madam visiting, Nancy Pelosi.
Yes, sir.
That is it. Very good. So you seem to be in the know of things. How do you update your current knowledge?
Sir, by basically having videos on YouTube, I follow some channel, and all these things I have seen on your interviews videos. You have asked with
Many times I have
candidate.
asked all these things.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh God, you
So,
got the secret. Good.
yeah.
What is your
And we
family? Tell us about your family.
okay. Sir, I have we are 4 members in family. I have my brother and sister-in-law and my one nephew.
Yeah. What is your father?
Sir, I don't have my mother and father.
Oh, what happened? When did they, what happened?
Sir, when I was in my first year after passing out my 12th exams, so my father got brain hemorrhage and he just passed away. And following after 6 or 9 months, my mother was also expired.
Now, who is taking care of you?
Sir, my brother.
What is he? क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, he is 2 years older than me and he is doing work on shop.
Work on?
Shop.
Oh, he has got a shop.
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. That's right. Now, banking. What are the benefits it is giving to society?
Sir, banking is playing a major role in society. For example, in Corona period, banking have played a very important role when the Prime Minister want to give monetary benefit to the unprivileged people below poverty line. So in that case also, uh, direct benefit transfer help the people to get the money. Other than this, there is one financial inclusivity in that the lower class people are getting health insurance policy, and they are also getting Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, which is costing around 4,000 rupees to 400 rupees and giving them the accidental coverage of 2 lakh rupees. So banking is just like a basic necessity, and it is playing a very important role in an economy. For the economy to grow, there must be a good and efficient banking system to have a good growing economy.
Good. Now, how do you imagine yourself? Supposing you get selected in Karnataka Bank, after 10 years, what do you imagine yourself to be?
Sir, if I got selected in Karnataka Bank, I'll see myself as a successful, as a honest, as a trustworthy member of a organization, and I see myself at a managerial level and who is doing great for himself as well as for his organization.
Excellent. So what are your ambitions in life?
Sir, my ambition is to uh, to have a good life, basically, to have a balanced life. After getting a job, my ambition is to experience uh, to experience all the things in life.
Yeah. 1 minute. Kindly hold on. Kindly
Yes.
hold on. Yeah, yeah. Just a minute. Uh, so we are on which channel? 374 only, na? I gave you 374 only, na? We how to know what is the channel we are using now? Stop share. How to know this? What is this number? Or I will use this copy invite. Just a minute. Yeah. Now, what was the last question I asked? Sorry.
Sir, what are your ambition? What you want to be
Ambition.
in life?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are your ambitions?
Sir,
Bataiye.
I want to be a good person. I would have a good and financial background so that I can also help the people who are in need of help. There are many people who can't afford education. There are so many people. So just to have a good life for me and for my family, and also I have that much of finance so that I can support the really needy one who are in need of a helping hand.
अच्छा आपका राजस्थान का पॉलिटिक्स क्या है बताइए.
Sir, currently we have uh, Congress in ruling party, CM Ashok Gehlot. Mr. Ashok Gehlot is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Yes, and
Yeah.
the elections are about to happen in 2023.
23 or 24?
Sir, 23.
अच्छा अच्छा. Good. What is your view? Which party is likely to win? Is it AAP or BJP or Congress? आपका कैसे लगता है?
Sir, if we look at the history or the past, then there is one thing in Rajasthan that after every 5 years, the party changes. No matter how does it work, it always come alternatively. One time BJP and the another time is Congress.
Oh,
But I haven't participated in voting system and does not know much about politics. But my view is that if the AAP party get into elections, then we will. I think they are doing great work. So
they
we'll
make it.
see.
That's
Yeah.
what, as it is, newspaper also, AAP का बारे में ज्यादा कुछ बोला नहीं in Rajasthan. Much is being told in only in Gujarat.
Yes, sir,
गुजरात
because
में
they are. Yes,
अभी इलेक्शन है उनका वैसे.
yes, sir, and they are also a candidate and fighting for Gujarat. They haven't come in Rajasthan yet.
The last question for you: who is your role model?
Sir, there are uh, many role models for me. I easily get influenced by the people, but for me, my father was my role model because uh, there are certainly some qualities. Like he started his career at a very early age, at 9 to 10 years, and he struggled a lot, and he has made his journey. Uh, and so I am very inspired by his work ethics as well as the name he gets in the society. So, so this is the thing. He was very honest. He was very kind. He was very supportive. So this is the quality which I want to take into me. And other than this, I when I was child or teenager, I also follow Shah Rukh Khan a lot. So
Very good. Anyhow, best wishes. You are doing very well and be reading a lot. थोड़ा पढ़ा है. It's not that you are not read. और भी थोड़ा अच्छा से पढ़ लो जी. Due to want of time, I am not able to ask you full details. फिर भी आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए, आप अच्छा से जाइए, कॉन्फिडेंस से जाइए, आपको जरूर सक्सेस होना उम्मीद है. There is a possibility for you to succeed. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And why you appear very patla na kya?
सर नहीं, पहले तो इससे भी ज्यादा पतला था, अब तो मतलब फिर भी ठीक हूँ. आई एम डूइंग एक्सरसाइज एंड हैविंग ड्रिंक.
No, no, अभी पता नहीं. Your आपका प्रोफाइल देख के हम बता रहा हूँ. अभी कैसे है? अभी I don't know how
सर
you
इट
look.
वाज, हाँ सर इट वाज 2 years ago.
ओ, अभी थोड़ा मोटा है.
यस सर, हाँ अभी ठीक
तो,
है.
थोड़ा देखिए, 1 मिनट आ जाइए, बाद में जल्दी बंद कर दीजिए आपको.
हाँ.
1 मिनट, आधा मिनट. आई नो इट्स
हाँ.
वेरी लेट टाइम. अब
हाँ.
शर्ट भी पहना नहीं पहना पता नहीं.
नहीं सर, आई हैव.
या आ जाइए, आई लाइक यू.
सर क्या कह रहे हैं आप, मतलब कुछ.
No, no. I said, can you come on video for a minute, half a minute?
ऑन व्हाट्सएप कॉल.
No, this way. Here itself.
सर मतलब कॉल में तो आ ही रहा हूँ सर.
अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, no problem. Best wishes. We'll meet afterwards. I wish you attend the interview and send me the list of questions they are asking. And also mainly tell whether they are permitting you to use Hindi language. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, one thing I want to ask,
Yeah.
sir, do you find any communication gap while talking to
No,
you?
no. That's
So
why
this is
I wanted to see you in direct self, in internet itself. I mean, this itself,
sir, I
Zoom itself. But it is being recorded and it will not be shared with others. Don't worry. If
sir
you come,
मतलब मुझे पता नहीं है सर कैसे करते हैं. I'm using Zoom for
नीचे
the first time.
नीचे में आपको वीडियो होगा, उसमें कट भी होगा, उसको निकाल दीजिए वीडियो का. राइट, फर्स्ट लेफ्ट साइड में आपको मिलेगा ऑडियो, नेक्स्ट आपको वीडियो मिलेगा. उसको वीडियो का ऊपर में बार होगा. हाँ, मिल गया.
Okay, sir.
गुड. वो पहले बार अब यूज करते हैं, ज्यादा यूज नहीं किया.
Yes, sir. I haven't used it before.
अच्छा, आप इंटरव्यू जाने से समय पर क्या करेंगे? बियर्ड सब रख के जाएंगे और निकाल के जाएंगे, कैसे?
Sir, this is I was asking, should I get clean shaved or trimmed?
आपको जैसे कैसे अच्छा लगता है?
सर वैसे तो ट्रिम्ड सही लगता है, मतलब एक
ठीक है,
नंबर.
ट्रिम में जाइए. डार्क कलर पैंट, लाइट कलर फुल ऑन शर्ट.
Okay, sir.
Then you'll look very nice. There won't be any problem. Good. You are a good smart guy. You can do very well. Don't worry.
Thank
आपको
you,
क्या?
sir.
And if you want to attend Angrezi classes, then come to my classes from 8 to 8:40. I will
Okay.
ask you to speak on different things. You can talk. And of course, you are good in talking because of your experience in Policy Bazaar.
Okay.
This
Sir, this is the main concern. I thought I fumble while speaking, or I stop, I make a pause while speaking. So this might be a bad impression for the
No.
interview.
लेकिन थोड़ा the josh is not available in your voice.
Okay.
Do you understand what I say?
Yes, sir. Energy.
You seem to be like a 45-year-old man in your voice.
Okay, sir. Sir,
You must be like 21-year-old boy, 20-year-old boy. You should come down and talk happily.
okay.
I
Sure,
know.
sir.
I know आपका heart of heart, you have mental tension. You have not been working for 3 years. ये
Yes,
होगा.
sir.
But उसको forget करके you go with this smile, you will succeed.
Okay, sir.
But only thing is they will go on be questioning you. 3 साल से क्यों कुछ काम नहीं आपका हुआ? Why did you not get selected? But don't get worked up, smiling and tell the answers. Sir,
Yeah,
now,
sir.
now only I have come across a job which is more suitable for me because I am very good in marketing, and this job involves, besides clerical duties, marketing also, and I will do an excellent job in this.
Yes, sir.
Correct? ऐसा बोल
Correct.
दीजिए. ठीक है?
Okay.
God bless you.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Success.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Bye.
Bye.